Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Klarna on StockX. Now all you need to do is just go here to StockX. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and create your account. And then what you do is you choose your item. Let's say we want this one, Nike LeBron 23 40k gold. And what we need to do right here is add this to your cart, right? So just click here on buy now. Okay, as you can see right here. And make sure you're logged in for this. You choose your size. Let's go and just do this one. US M8. Let's do 8. And basically here, where it says payment method. Okay, let's wait for this to redirect. So please add a payment method. So what you want to do here, you want to choose, okay, your debit card right here, credit or debit. And what you're going to do, okay, because in many regions, Klarna does not show up directly in StockX checkout, but you can still use it indirectly. You just go ahead and create a Klarna one-time card, and you enter the card details right here. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.